Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a whirlpool. First off, you need two bottles, one half-filled one, and some duct tape. I'm gonna show you how. Okay, first thing first, we need to take off the top of the bottle's caps. That's why we could stick them on, lining them up, and then use the duct tape. So let me quickly grab some duct tape. Let me try to rip it. There. There. Okay, got the whole done. Time to do the experiment. First we have to shake it to make it go around a circle. And it did not work. Plus leaking a little. Let me try to do it this way. And it worked. I got it to move around a little before it went empty. And that duct tape ain't working well as I thought. So, got it to do the whirlpool, but failed to keep it in. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe.